What we have here today is a coalition of students, parents, educators, superintendent board members, advocates for public schools, not just here in San Diego Unified, but from all over San Diego County. What this withholding proposal does is it fundamentally takes away nearly $60 million of funding for our district, San Diego Unified, and about $300 million from schools throughout San Diego County. And as Deborah just went through, as all of the speakers have talked about, it's not good enough to say, well, we know we owe you the money, but we'll get you the money when we decide we're going to get around to doing it. This school where we're at, Kimbrough, today, and thank you to Principal Adnan for hosting us, we've got summer programming going on right now. This school will open the new school year in a couple of months. This school and all of our schools need to know that the resources that they are owed, that are supposed to be guaranteed under Prop 98, as Deborah just went through, that those resources are going to be here. And it's not good enough to say, well, we know we owe it to you, but maybe we'll get it to you at some point during the year. Principals can't plan for that. Schools can't plan for it. And what it just means is it's essentially a cut, because it means that those resources actually don't get to the students, don't get to the educators when they need them. Where we are in the process right now is the legislature is probably in the next day going to finalize its budget. The state Senate has been very clear. They will not approve a budget that withholds money from schools. The state assembly is pretty fuzzy, to be frank, right now. Their language is, well, we'll work with the governor to develop a schedule to get you the money. It sounds like the governor. It sounds like we'll get you the money when we get around to it. We're lucky here in this district and in San Diego that our representative, David Alvarez, is also the chair of the Assembly Education Budget Committee. I've known David for a long time. I've never known David to be somebody that's okay with fuzzy language and unclear commitments. And so we're confident that David is going to step up and make sure that in this final budget agreement between the Assembly and the Senate, just as the Senate has already stated, we clearly will release that $3.9 billion. We will reject this proposal from the governor. It's not okay that it happened last year. Because it happened last year, the governor thought, okay, well, I can just do it again. That's not the precedent that we need going forward. Our educators, our students, our families need to know that the money that's guaranteed under Prop 98 will actually be there when our students need it. And so I'm so glad that this entire coalition has come together here in San Diego. Coalitions like this are coming together throughout California, and it's time for the Assembly to get very clear and to say we reject the governor's proposal.